That's the golden sunlight, everyone. So today, universe wanted me to tell about something really important. You know, the courts. I don't know about other countries, but the court in India, I have seen and heard several stories about how much people are actually struggling because of the courts. The number of times that they need to visit the courts for years. My grandfather, when he was alive, he had to go to the court for almost 25 years fighting for his land. And now his son is going, and he's been going for more than I think 7-8 years or something like this. So every time they have, every month they have few visits to go, and some people did, most of the time, every time they visit the court, they say case will be heard some other time or something like this. So most of the time they don't, they just go and wait in the queue. The court is full of people, all the elderly and everybody will be standing in the courts. There is no place for people to properly sit or have an idea when their case will be heard, kind of a thing. So why is this like this, and how many years will this be like this? Actually, are people actually looking at how much pain it is causing people? I mean, if something is wrong, when will someone actually step up and try to fix it? Everything is digitalized right now. Everything is digitalized. And I've actually happened to go to one of a court, and the you know, and it was, the way it was handled, it was like, how can they actually do it? So I have gone to a court once, and because it was a lady who was a witness for something, and I had accompanied her, okay? And basically the lawyer, whoever was from the opponent side, he was not letting her talk. He was not letting her talk, and he himself was saying things, and the judge was also actually writing the things what the lawyer was saying. And when that girl was actually trying to say that that is not true, this is the truth, the judge and the lawyer was saying, don't get aggressive. That girl was not even aggressive. That girl was very quiet, and you know, a girl who is having trembling hands. And the point is, in the court they don't let you talk, they don't let you say anything. In that case, what is the point of going for a hearing, or what is the point of going to a court as a witness when the lawyers will decide what to say, and the statement will be written as per the lawyer's words, and this person, whoever is attending the court, the judge will say just sign the statement, and you know, the attendant of the judge will say sign the statement, and the person who is a witness have to sign the statement what was actually portrayed by the lawyer, even if it is not that person's will, you know. That is actually wrong. When it is digitalized, I personally think these whatever things are happening in the court, they should be streamlined. Like, you know, like there should be a YouTube channel or something where I mean, I'm not saying to go and put it on public, but the government should actually have a proper a website or something where people can when they are giving a statement, or when the, you know, there should be court recordings happening. And whenever, for example, one court here gives some judgment, or there is a hearing or something, these all should be recorded. and when it goes to the upper court or something like that, there is a proof that this happened, that happened, kind of a thing to showcase. Instead of, there are so many things that in court itself, not everything they say is true, and so many people are not even given a chance to speak the truth, because first of all, when they go to the court, they themselves are trembling, they are worried and stuff like that. And people actually the lady that whom I accompanied, she was actually been in a situation, the lawyer was actually looking into her eyes. He was very close to her, and he was like, you know, making her just be quiet. She was just like a scary figure right on her face, and he was not letting her speak, and the judge was also not saying anything to him. That is wrong. No, that is actually wrong. And these things actually have to be told. These things have to be addressed, and public should intervene and raise their opinion about how things are going in the court, how long they will be quiet, and how many years. If there is a case in the court, it is for a lifetime. How correct is that? It is absolutely wrong. Human time should not be wasted just to go to the courts. And there are so many people I have seen in the court waiting for divorces. And those divorce cases, some of them, they were wrongly filed and stuff like that, and they have to go to the court every single time, and one party comes, the other party doesn't come, and they have to go, and they spend a lot of money, and a lot of years go in this you know, divorce cases, and people are losing their money, they are losing their time. And you know, why can't these cases be done online where they can save money? People are not even having, elderly people are standing there, they're not even place to sit. How wrong is that? People should, when there is a possibility to have online you know, cases, why can't they do why can't they take up cases online where people don't need to travel, where they don't need to spend so much money, and they don't, it happens for years. And if everything is streamlined, it is more easy to know what is right and what is wrong, and people will not be manipulated, and there will be less chance of people, you know, being harassed in the courts. That's my personal opinion, because as a person, I think I have right of speech, and I think I am giving my right of speech here, and I think there should be a reform done in the, for people, for the greater good of people. People need to step up, and the politicians and the leaders should actually step up for people and talk for people. They should not let wrong things happen and continue to happen. I think this is the message of the universe, because people deserve to have better life. They should not, their life should not be stuck because of these courts. They should not feel that is like a life sentence, you know. My grandfather passed away going to courts and coming out of courts, going in and out of courts, just because he's given his house for somebody to live in. Those people occupied the house, and you know, the house papers were there in that house itself, because it was you know, relatives, and they did not have place to live. My grandfather offered the house to live, and they occupied the house, and they did not they even you know, had control of the papers, of the house papers. So my grandfather had to go in and out of the courts trying to prove it is his house that he was living in, kind of a thing. And the case is still happening, and it's been more than, I think, almost 30 years or less. Yeah. And not only that, I have seen several cases and people are struggling, and I think things have to be spoken out loud when things, especially when they go wrong. Thank you. This message is from universe, and this is for love for people. Thank you. This is Trikala. Jai Hind.